back at it again, you know, make them know say I done the place, you know, me are the top chef, you know. Look at that. Yeah, man, with that Jamaica, man, and we buy piece of pudding, man. That's the worst thing me ever taste. So, you know what? I just say, yo, make we go to the market and bake with own pudding, you see me? Potato pudding, that is. Look at that. So, you don't know, so me I pick out my thing, them, you know. Me I pick out the potato, them, and thing. You see me, I say? And then you don't know what going on after that. We go wait for the ladies.
Hi, this is sweet potato, $2 per pound. Alright. So the sweet potatoes. Yes. We have scallion, we have Irish, we have onion, and we have veggie. Yeah. You can stop at Maxine and more.
Yeah. Look at that.
8 pounds.
Alright.
Yeah, man, you don't know. You go, man, you don't know. Then you peel your potato and start grate it. Jamaica hot, so me a sweat so short. You just take a piece of paper towel and wipe off the sweat them. Look at that. Yeah, man, you don't know you grate your potato. Yeah, man, you grate a piece of coconut in it too. So you look on it. You see me, I say, potato at Jamaica, it just rich and sweet. You see me, I say, look at that. Then you get your coconut. And you cut it up, you see me, because we are get ready for blend it up, you see me, I say, we now use no can this time. You see me, I say, you don't know you get your dry ingredients, you see me, you saw them separated, dry ingredients, your flour, and your wire going out, your flour, your cornmeal, you see me, I say, all of your dry ingredients, your cinnamon, your nutmeg, yeah man, all of them things, man, look at that. Yeah man, and you don't know, yeah man, you just start store them in and then thing there. And you see me, I say, after that, what you are going to do now, you put your coconut milk, yeah man, you go add that in and store it up and make sure it no lump up. Anti-Sophie over there, so anti-serene there around there, so I go and chill. You see me, I say, and you store it in. You see me, I say, make sure everything store up. You see me, I say, look at that. Yeah man, I done the place, man, and me are the top chef, man. If you want some salt, man, that's why me I taste it and I make sure it proper. Okay, if you want some salt, we are going to add some salt. If you want some more sugar, we are going to add some more sugar and store it in. You see me, I say, me da yard and you don't know, say, me get some potato and potato pudding and they never good star. Yo, I couldn't believe me just got the market same time. You grease up your pan, you see me and say, because we don't use recipe book either, you know. And the ancestors talk to you and tell you if you put. Yeah, man, I done the place, man, and me are the top chef, man. Preheat your oven at 390 degrees and make sure it's well hot. And then you put the pan them in there, you see me and say, and you go bake if about a 2 hours, you see me? And then you go take it out. You see me and say, when you take it out, you go say, look at that, you see me? Remember, say you have to save some of the coconut milk, you know. You see me? And you go throw it on top so it gets soft. You see me? I say, I saw you pudding for look, man. And you see when you taste this, man,